Hey guys, I know this isn't a Ford or anything really cool, but I like to show these videos because you're always working on something, trying to get a little extra cash or whatever to work on the hot rods, because hot rods are expensive unless you're just independently wealthy, which whatever. So these are a friend's running boards. He bought them very cheaply on Craigslist, and this is probably why. I don't know if you can see that, but it's rusted through, and that's where it bolts on. So what we're going to do is, I got them wiped off, just the edges. We're going to mark all. There's 4 points of connection. We're going to mark them all, 1, 2, 3, 4. Separate them, cut out the old stuff, weld in new circles with captured nuts, and maybe put some new hardware on. And that'll be it. Just wants to make sure they stay on properly. So let's get it started. Alright, so we got the brackets cut off by the bolt, which is kind of difficult, but this is why everything's rusted. That's just dirt. Sorry, that's just dirt. So we're going to get all that cleaned out and probably weld right on the outside our new plates to avoid this pocket that's behind there. They had some rubber in there, but obviously the rubber's not going to hold. Anyway, I'll get these cleaned up, get them cut out, take a picture, and show you what we're going to do. Alright, we plasma cut those out, and now went down to the hardware store and got a hole saw that leaves a remnant that'll sit in there. So I'm going to cut 4 sheets, weld the nuts on the back, and then weld them in here. So we'll see how that works. Trying to figure out how to make it rust proof. I don't think I can. Hole saw, 3-inch hole saw. It's a 2 3/4 inch hole. I'm using this plate. It's a little bit thicker than the material that was in there. And we went down to the store and got some nuts. Got some mild steel nuts. This hardware I had in stock, but we'll do that. I was going to sandblast and paint those, but the glass on my sandblaster is a little hazy, so I'm going to skip that spot. Alright. Wait a sec. So a little bit zoomed up there, sorry. So slips right in there nicely. We'll clean those up, drill a bigger hole, weld the bolt on the back, and get some welding on. So I'm going to cut 3 more of those, and then we'll go forward. Alright, I'll zoom out a little bit. There you go. So I got my edges cleaned up so I can weld to there. And then on the back side, I got my spot for my nut cleaned up on all 4 of these. I'm going to feed the bolt through, okay, like that, hold it in place to weld it. And we're going to weld all 4 of these guys. I'm just using the bolt for alignment, so I'll take that off when I'm done. Anyway, just going to MIG these, not going to worry about TIGging them, although I've been trying to practice TIGging even when I didn't need to, but I'm just going to bust these out real quick. Alright, got all those welded. I'm not a welder, but that's the best one. Anyway, I was going to just tack them, but then I realized there's actually some weight on these things, so I went around them like that. Now we're going to put them in here. We'll see what we'll do. Alright, so I left the bolt in there to protect the threads. I just kind of stitch welded this in. Try not to melt too much of the edge, but I got a little bit of it. That's second one of the 4, so almost done. Alright, got a couple coats of paint on it, nice and thick. All 4 of them are painted up, complete. I don't know if you see that or not. Anyway, yep, ready to go. Another job well done.